Welcome to this MOOC which deals with the experiments for CBCS Chemistry Practical corresponding to Organic Chemistry 2 for BSc Chemistry Honours 3rd semester. This course will provide stepwise instructions for chemistry experiments in very interesting manner. The course shall consist of videos and the reading material along with various activities and assessments. This course shall help in understanding the theory and experiment thoroughly before performing it. It deals the observations one has to make while performing the experiments as well as the precautions which are very important and need to be taken while performing the experiment at the appropriate places. It also helps in quick revision without going in the laboratory again and is very useful especially just before the examination when the laboratories are not available in the conventional universities. The assessments are equivalent to the Viva type of questions. If we talk about the significance, it has a tremendous repeat value without added cost factor, and needless to say, it is environmental friendly. Let us see a glimpse of an experiment how this course will be developed. If we take the example of this benzoylation reaction, the aim here is to carry out the benzoylation of aniline using Schotten-Baumann reaction. Let us first understand the reaction with the help of its mechanism. The Schotten-Baumann reaction for benzoylation of aniline you can see is as given here. Here aniline is reacted with benzoyl chloride in the presence of 10% NaOH at room temperature. Note that the active hydrogen of aniline is substituted by the benzoyl group resulting in benzenylide as the product. In the mechanism of this reaction, the carbonyl carbon of benzoyl chloride is attacked by the lone pair over the nitrogen of aniline as a nucleophile, and this happens in the presence of dilute NaOH. It results in this particular intermediate as you can see here, from which the chloride ion is released as it is a good leaving group. From the next intermediate so formed, the proton is abstracted by the base, that is OH minus, resulting in the benzenylide as the product. So, after understanding the mechanism, let us see how this reaction is performed in a chemistry laboratory. Before you start this experiment, it is advised that in addition to lab coat, you also must wear safety goggles to protect your eyes, as benzoyl chloride which you are using in this experiment is lachrymatory, that is tear producing. To start up, in a clean conical flask, take 1 ml aniline and add dilute sodium hydroxide solution which is 10%, and you have to take 15 ml quantity of this dilute NaOH solution. Now to this you have to add benzoyl chloride 1.5 ml, and that has to be added in small amounts. Stopper the flask with a cork and shake the mixture vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes. Since heat is involved in this reaction, it is very important that one must release the heat after every few minutes by opening the cork used as a stopper. At this stage, you can observe the formation of white solid or powder, and this is the crude benzoyl derivative of aniline, which is benzenylide. And after this you have to filter this separated benzenylide, wash it with distilled water, and this resulting solid is the crude product of this reaction. Next you have to do is measure its yield and record, and after this you can crystallize it from hot ethanol and then take its melting point and record in your practical notebooks. Now, this and other experiments of this course shall be explained and discussed in detail in very interesting manner.